Okay, class, I will go through week 7 with you. Heuristic. Okay, this is more model drawing. Okay, let us look at this. I will give you a simple demonstration here as compared to this. John and Abel had 224 sweets. So I write John plus Abel. Okay, here we are trying to simplify what we can see here. Okay. After John ate 1/7, always ask yourself, if 1 unit is taken away, is eaten, what is left? Always write this, okay? So as you're doing, you write this, it helps you to understand. So 1/7 is eaten, you will have 6/7 left. And Abel ate 16, okay? So this 16 is eaten. The ratio of John's sweet to Abel became 2:3. Sounds confusing, right? So we start bit by bit first. Okay, we start with here. After 1/7 is eaten, I have 6/7 left, meaning I have 6 units left. So I draw here. John have 6 units left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And not forgetting that he actually has 1 unit eaten. So to show that, you can use dotted line and about the same size. Okay, and then after that I go on to read this part. And because of this, I wanted to draw Abel, but to do this I have to read this part. The ratio of John to Abel became 2:3. If John is 2 unit here, over here, right? What you can see is that there are 6 unit here. So therefore, this is 1 big unit and this is 1 big unit, right? So 1 unit, 2 unit. John will be 2 unit, Abel will be 3 units. So Abel will be 1 unit, 2 unit. Can you see that? And 3 unit. Try to draw as equal as possible. Okay, so from here, remember, cut 1, cut all. Alright. And this one involved model drawing and a bit of work backwards. So from here I work backwards. You can see that he ate 16, right? Abel ate 16. So 16 unit is eaten. I use a different color to help you. And take note, you cannot draw an equal unit like this size. Because if you do, you will think that this 16 is equals to 1 unit. Okay? So now you have this done. The total over here is 2, 2, 4. Now remember, we always remove away the alien. So where's the alien? The pink color one. This is the only one that has that doesn't look like the rest. The size is different. So step 1, okay, refer to here, okay, but I'm just going to do my own working to show you. So step 1, I'll take 2, 2, 4 minus 16 and I'll get 208. And a 208 actually represent this part here. Now that 224 minus this part here, I get this part here. Okay, it's this part here now. 208 represents that. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 units. Okay, so 16 unit equals to 208. Find 1 unit. 208 divided by 16 equals to 13. Now this heuristics question, you can use calculator. Okay, you can use calculator, no problem with that. Right, so you know 1 unit. Then they ask you what's the ratio of John to Abel. So first of all, you must find what is the value for John, what's the value for Abel. Okay, so we find the easier one. We find John first. So John, I label at the side. This one they represent in a ratio method. Okay, I just want it to be neater, so I'm representing it this way now. John, there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 unit equals to 13 times 7 will be equals to 91. So if this entire row is 91, the total is 224. I can simply take 224 minus away 91 to find Abel. Okay, so Abel will be 224 minus 91. I will get 133. Okay, so after I get this, I'm asked for ratio of John to Abel. Okay, so John being 91, Abel being 133. Alright, so once done. So you may question how to do it. Okay, how to reduce this to simplest form. Don't use those messy method like divide by something trying to find. If you can use calculator, oops, I'm so sorry. Okay, if you can use calculator, mine is a bit different from yours, but basically it works the same. Okay, you can use the fraction mode on your calculator. Okay, mine will be, so it's something like 91 over 133. So once I have typed in this, the moment I press equal, you see, it will be reduced to simplest form for you. So it's 13:19. Done. Nicely done. Okay. So answer 13:19. Alright, let's move on to the second question. Alright, second question, guided practice. I will draw the model together with you first, then after that I'll pause. Okay, then you fill in whatever that's over here. Okay, and then after that you will check the answer by viewing my video. Now, Joyce and Sufen has this amount, so Joy plus Sufen has 355. And again, Joy spent 3/5 of her money. If 3/5 is spent, 2/5 will be left, right? And then Sufen spent this much, then the ratio of Joyce is to Sufen became 1:3. So what was the ratio of Joyce to Sufen? Okay, so what is this? So we have simplified everything. Let's see how we are going to draw it. If Joyce spent 3/5, I'm going to draw 2/5 left. Okay, so Joyce, 2 units left. Okay, and 3 units will be whatever that has been spent. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the extra, I will tip it away. And then based on Joyce, it's actually 1 unit here. That means this 2 small tiny unit is 1 big unit here. So meaning Sufen is actually 3 units. So therefore it means Sufen is 1, 2, 3. 6 units. Alright. Can you see? So 1, cut all. Okay, so I have 3 units here for Sufen, and then Sufen also spent $25. So I'm going to include that, and remember it cannot be the same size as what I have here. So alright, what else is missing? The 355, right? So this is $355. Alright, before I go on, I would like you to pause my video and work on whatever that's over here. So remember, remove the alien first. Okay, pause the video and work on it. after you finish the whole sum over here, then you play the video again to check your answer. Pause now. Alright, I'm back again. Let's see how we solve this, okay? Now, 11 units equals to, remove the alien here, so 355 minus 25. And we get 330. Remember, you can use calculator. So, to find 1 unit will be 330 divided by 11. And I get 30. So, at first, Joyce will be over here. How many units? 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 units times 30, because 1 unit is 30. Alright, and then this one will be 355 minus 5 times 30. Okay, and therefore I have 150. And I get 150 here because I have to minus. You notice that this is exactly this one here. Okay, so here might look confusing to you, but basically it means 355 minus what? This part here, minus what Joyce has. Okay, so after this, again you punch into your calculator, you will get 30 is to 41. I hope you get this. Alright, next week I'll check the, after I mark, I'll check the solution. I'll post the solution, sorry.